Imagine a Pacific paradise, a nation of 33 islands, spread across 3 million square kilometers of ocean. This is Kiribati, a unique gem in the vastness of the Pacific. Kiribati is an island nation that straddles the equator, its scattered islands extending into both the eastern and western hemispheres. But this Pacific Eden is not just about breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cultures. Kiribati, with its low-lying atolls and expansive coral reefs, is on the front lines of a global crisis. Climate change and rising sea levels pose a real and immediate threat to the nation's existence. The islands, many of them barely a couple of meters above sea level, are highly vulnerable to the encroaching ocean. The people of Kiribati are resilient, but they face an uncertain future. Their homeland, a paradise on Earth, is under pressure like never before. This is a story of beauty and fragility, of a paradise at the mercy of the sea. But beneath this idyllic image, Kiribati faces a daunting reality. The history of Kiribati is a tale of cultural blending, colonial rule, and a fight for independence. Let's embark on this historical journey. Centuries ago, the islands of Kiribati were first inhabited by seafaring people from Polynesia and Micronesia. These early settlers, with their unique cultures and traditions, laid the foundation for Kiribati's rich cultural tapestry. As time went on, the islands witnessed an influx of European explorers in the 17th century, with the Spanish being the first to make contact. This marked the beginning of an era of European visitation, triggering a series of significant changes in the region. The islands were named the Gilbert Islands after the British captain Thomas Gilbert, who mapped the area in the late 18th century. The 19th century brought an era of turmoil and warfare to the region. The islands were caught in the crossfire of colonial ambitions, with Britain establishing a protectorate over the Gilbert Islands in 1892. The islands remained under British rule for nearly a century, a period marked by cultural shifts and economic transformations. The journey towards independence was not an easy one. The islanders, with their indomitable spirit, fought tirelessly for their rights and sovereignty. Their efforts bore fruit in 1979 when Kiribati finally gained its independence from the United Kingdom. The newly independent nation adopted the name Kiribati, a local adaptation of Gilbert's. This marked a significant milestone in the nation's history, a testament to its resilience and determination. The transition to independence was a turning point for Kiribati, setting the stage for the nation to carve out its path on the global stage. As a member of various international organizations, Kiribati has made its presence known and continues to play an active role in global discussions. Today, Kiribati stands as an independent nation, carrying a rich history that echoes through its vibrant culture. This Pacific paradise, with its tales of resilience and cultural blending, has a history that is as captivating as its sunsets. Spread across 3 million square kilometers of ocean, Kiribati's geography is as unique as it is vast. This island nation, little more than a speck on the global map, is divided into 3 principal island groups: the Gilbert Islands, the Phoenix Islands, and the Line Islands. Each with its own distinct characteristics, they form a vibrant mosaic of culture and biodiversity in the heart of the Pacific Ocean. The Gilbert Islands, the westernmost group, is home to the majority of Kiribati's population. As you move east, you'll encounter the Phoenix Islands, which are largely uninhabited but renowned for their protected marine areas teeming with life. Further east still, the Line Islands stretch out like a string of pearls across the water, their coral atolls and sandy beaches shimmering under the tropical sun. Now imagine a line, invisible but significant, bisecting this tiny nation, the equator. Indeed, Kiribati is one of the few countries globally that straddles this imaginary line. But that's not all. Another line, the International Date Line, also runs through the easternmost part of Kiribati. This not only makes Kiribati the only country to be in all 4 hemispheres but also bestows upon it a unique distinction. Because of its position relative to the International Date Line, Kiribati has the honor of being the first country to welcome each new day. When dawn breaks over the Line Islands, it's a symbol of hope and renewal, a fitting metaphor for this resilient island nation. So, from the bustling settlements of the Gilbert Islands to the pristine wilderness of the Phoenix Islands and the sunrise-kissed beaches of the Line Islands, Kiribati is a geographic marvel, a testament to the beauty and diversity of our planet. This unique geographic position makes Kiribati the first country to welcome each new day. With a population of over 119,000, Kiribati's economy is a testament to its people's resilience and adaptability. This island nation, nestled in the heart of the Pacific Ocean, draws its economic strength primarily from two sectors: fisheries and copra exports. The surrounding ocean teems with a wealth of marine life, making fishing not just a livelihood, but a way of life for the people of Kiribati. The copra industry derived from the meat of the coconut has been a steadfast pillar of the economy, with copra exports contributing significantly to the nation's revenue. Yet, the economy of Kiribati also reveals a story of dependence and struggle. The nation relies heavily on international aid, a reflection of the challenges posed by its remote location and limited resources. This aid plays a crucial role in supporting the country's infrastructure, healthcare and education systems, among other aspects. But the people of Kiribati are not ones to rest on the laurels of external support. They are constantly striving to diversify their economy and strengthen it from within. Efforts are underway to explore other potential sectors, such as tourism, which could tap into the country's stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. The country also actively participates in various international organizations, seeking to forge partnerships and alliances that can help boost its economic prospects. This outward-looking approach is a clear demonstration of Kiribati's commitment to progress and development. However, the specter of climate change looms large over the nation's economic future. As sea levels rise, the very existence of Kiribati is under threat, which could have grave implications for its economy. Yet the people of Kiribati face this existential threat with courage and resolve, determined to protect their way of life. Despite challenges, the people of Kiribati continue to thrive, nurturing their land and seas as the lifeblood of their economy. As we look to the future, Kiribati faces a pressing challenge: the pressure of rising sea levels. Now this island nation, a paradise nestled in the heart of the Pacific, is under threat. Climate change and the consequential rise in sea levels pose a significant risk to the livelihood and existence of Kiribati. As the ocean waters creep higher, the land that has been home to generations of Kiribati people is slowly disappearing. With it are vanishing the vibrant ecosystems, the rich fisheries that drive the economy, and the unique culture of this Pacific nation. Yet in the face of this existential threat, the spirit of Kiribati remains unbroken. The government and people of Kiribati are not standing idle in the face of this challenge. They are actively engaging in efforts to combat the effects of climate change. From sustainable practices in their fisheries to international diplomacy, they are taking steps to secure the future of their nation. Kiribati is also a vocal advocate on the world stage, pushing for global action on climate change and rising sea levels. However, the fight is far from over. The people of Kiribati will need to continue to adapt, innovate, and remain resilient in the face of this global issue. They are not just fighting for their homes, their livelihoods, or their culture. They are fighting for the future of our planet. In their struggle, we see the embodiment of the human spirit, the desire to persevere, to adapt, and to survive. The story of Kiribati is a testament to the resilience of humanity in the face of adversity. It is a story that needs to be told, a story that needs to be heard. In the face of adversity, Kiribati remains a beacon of resilience, a Pacific paradise under pressure. In this journey through Kiribati, we've explored a nation that is as beautiful as it is vulnerable. We've journeyed back to its rich historical tapestry, from its cultural blending and governance systems to the turbulence brought about by European visitation and colonial era. We've marveled at the geographic wonder of this central Pacific island nation, and we've delved into its economic lifeline, driven by fisheries and copra exports. Yet, we've also seen the pressures that this Pacific paradise faces, particularly its vulnerability to climate change. But remember, Kiribati is not just an island nation, it's a testament to the resilience and spirit of the Pacific people. With international aid and a proactive approach, there's hope for this island nation to continue to thrive amidst these pressures. Remember, knowledge is power. Subscribe to our channel, like, and share this video for more informative and updated content on more countries. Thank you for watching.